Hello students. So in the previous class we have discussed linear position invariant degradation. Now we'll see the estimating the degradation functions. Basically there are three principal ways to estimate the degradation functions degradation functions for the use for image restoration. First one is by image observation, second one is by experimentation, and third one is mathematical modeling. The process of restoring an image by using degradation function that has been estimated in some way or sometimes is called the blind deconvolution. Due to the fact that true degradation function is very rarely used or very rarely known. Now we'll see the estimation of linear estimation by image observation. Suppose that we are given with degraded image without any knowledge about the degradation function h. Based on the assumption that the image was degraded by linear position invariant process, one way to estimate h is to gather all the information from the image itself. For example, if the image is blurred, we can look at some rectangular sections of the image containing some sample structures like part of an object and the background. In order to reduce the effect of noise, we look for an area in which the signal content is strong, that is area of high contrast. The next step would be to process the sub image to arrive at a result that is unblurred as possible. For example, we can do this by sharpening the sub image with a sharpening filter or even by the processing small areas by hand. So the expression for if we assume g of if the sub image is denoted by gs of x comma y, let it the in the then and the original image is represented f cap of s comma x comma y, then the signal here, which is a strong signal area, is given by hs of u comma v, where I have taken earlier I have told you in time domain. This is the frequency hs of u comma v is equal to gs of u comma v by f cap s of u comma v. From the characteristics of this function, we can deduce the complete degradation function h of u comma v based on our assumptions of position invariance. For example, suppose the radial point of hs of u comma v has the approximate shape of the Gaussian curve. We can use that information to construct a function h of u comma v on a larger scale, but having the same basic shape, we then use h of u comma e is one of the restoration process to be discussed. Now let us see the estimation by experimentation. If an equipment similar to the equipment used to acquire the degradation image is available, then it is possible in principle to obtain accurate estimate of the degradation. Images similar to degraded images can be acquired with various system settings until they are degraded as closely as possible to the image which we want to restore. Here, an impulse image, a small dot of light using the same system settings. A linear space invariant system is characterized completely by its impulse response. An impulse response is simulated by a bright dot of light as bright as possible to reduce the effect of noise to negligible value, and that Fourier transform of an impulse is given by h of u comma v is equal to g of u comma v by a, where g of u comma v is the as before is Fourier transform of the observed image. A is the constant describing the strength of the impulse. If you see the image, this is degradation estimation of impulse. First figure represents an impulse of light shown here. Whatever the impulse is shown is a magnified. Then the second picture gives the image degraded impulse. Estimation by modeling is given by h of u comma v is equal to e raised to minus k u square plus v square whole raised to 5 by 6, where k is a constant that depends on the nature of the turbulence. If you see the image, this is the negligible first image, which is having negligible turbulence, where the second one is having the severe turbulence, like k equal to 0.0025, and the mild turbulence 0.01, and the low turbulence 0.0025 of the original image. You can see what affects the, if the turbulence is increased, what happens? Very low. So turbulence value should be as low as possible.